Welcome dear student. Today we are going to study second lesson of Standard 10th English. The name of the lesson is The Thief's Story, written by Ruskin Bond. Let's have little knowledge about the author Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond was born on 19th May 1934, is an award-winning Indian author of British descent, much renowned for his role in promoting children's literature in India. A prolific writer, he was written over 500 short stories, essays, and novels. His popular novel Blue Umbrella was awarded the National Film Award for Best Children's Film in year 2007. Ruskin Bond is also the author of more than 50 books for children and 2 volumes of autobiography. Born as the son of British couple when India was under the colonial rule, he spent his early childhood in Jamnagar and Shimla. Ruskin Bond's childhood was marked by his parents' separation and his father's death. He sought solace in reading and writing and wrote one of his first short stories at the age of 16. Ruskin Bond earned his living by freelancing as a young man, writing short stories and poems for newspaper and magazine. A few years hence, he was approached by Penguin Books, who published several collections of his work, helping establish him as a popular author in India. He was awarded the Padma Shri in year 1999 and Padma Bhushan in year 2014. Before we move ahead, let's get the idea about the theme of the story. The story describes the eternal conflict between good and bad in human heart and the ultimate victory of virtue over evils. The story advocates the power of love and kindness in reforming a thief. Before we begin the lesson, let's have little information about the characters of the story. We have 2 main characters in the story, that is Anil and Hari. Anil is 25 years of age, whereas Hari is 15 years of age. Anil is a tall, lean fellow, whereas Hari is a thin with having many scars on his face. Anil by profession is a struggling writer, whereas Hari by profession is a successful thief. Anil is a kind, simple, easygoing person, whereas Hari is cunning, shrewd, insincere, and truthful person. Students, let's begin the chapter, The Thief Story. The passage starts from page number 8 and ends on page number 9. First paragraph, Meeting with Anil. The narrator of the story is a professional thief. Though he is just only 15 years of age, he was being a successful and experienced burglar. He tried to be friend with Anil, a simple, kind-hearted and struggling writer, as he is in search of an opportunity for his next theft. He wanted to win Anil's confidence. The narrator took a new name every month so to avoid arrest from the police and his former employees. Recently, he introduced himself with a new name, Hari Singh. Let's proceed further. Next paragraph, Wanted to work for Anil. The thief earns Anil's trust and become friend with him. Anil, though not very solvent, agrees to appoint him as a cook, in return of food and a place to stay in his house. The narrator's intention obviously is to rob Anil and flee. However, the narrator cannot cook, so Anil teaches him to cook and to write, and Anil will feed him without a salary. Let's move further. Next paragraph. Hari Singh grateful for getting education. Hari Singh wanted to be educated. he was grateful that at least Anil had given him the basic education. He knew that once he could write like an educated man, there would be no limits to what he could achieve. Hari Singh found it quite pleasant to work with Anil, but as it is said that old habits never dies, the Hari Singh makes small profits by cheating Anil while shopping daily supplies for Anil. As Anil knew everything about Hari Singh, but it didn't seem to mind him. Let's proceed to the next paragraph. Anil had no regular income. He made money by fits and starts. He seems to write for a magazine. The day he got the money, he would go out and celebrate. Then he would wait and worry for his next check. One evening, Anil came home with small bundle of notes. By looking at the bundle of notes, the thief finally decided to rob Anil's money and escape. This is the evaluation part of the given passage. Question number 1. Provide two describing words for each characters from the passage. Question number 2. Why did narrator change his name every month? Question number 3. Explain the meaning of the following idioms. First one, to hang around. Second one, by fits and starts. Question number 4. What proves that the narrator still practiced deceit? Question number 5. Give antonyms of the following. First one, proudly. Second, cruel. Third, former. And fourth, confidence. This is the grammar section of the given passage. Read the questions carefully and write the answers. The remaining part of the given lesson will be continued in the next video. Till then, enjoy learning.